Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest analysis. This is for today, Friday until Monday, April 5 to 8, 2024. And this is our weekend edition of our update. And this English version is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best schools here in the Bicol region. Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, sustainable with you. If you're interested to know more about the program of BPI, just click on the link up here. Or if you're viewing via Facebook, just view the description above here for more details on the program of BPI. There's a link there that will forward you towards their program. And also, we would like to thank Avenue Plaza Hotel, one of the best hotels here in the Bicol region. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Negacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today, Friday, and this was issued yesterday. And as you can see, the warm easterlies will continue to bring some dry conditions across the eastern sections of the country, but it's a little bit breezy. The cloudiness is not much, but there are some showers expected along the eastern sections of Visayas or Bicol region. While here over Mindanao, it's the other way around. This is an area where a surface trough or Near-Equatorial Trough, formerly LP94W, is bringing some rain showers and thunderstorms across Soxagen, Bangsamoro, and the western sections of Mindanao. That's the area of Zamboanga Peninsula. So there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms. And elsewhere, it's all clear. There are no tropical disturbances or LPA or even tropical cyclones expected for the next 5 to 10 days. We have here a developing Mayo front that is a springtime weather system embedded within the frontal system, so it could bring some rain showers and thunderstorms as well across a vast area of southern China and the southern islands of Japan, including mainland Japan, will also experience this Mayo front. While if we take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation from the CIMSS Tropical Cyclone page, Himawari 9, and you can clearly see here the Near-Equatorial Trough with some cloudy conditions with rain showers and thunderstorms across southern and western Mindanao. And as we check on the windy.com zoom-in satellite animation, there you go, beginning, what time is this, 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. this evening. It's all clear across the Philippine Islands except for some areas of eastern Visayas like Samar provinces and eastern Bicol. There will be some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. And over Mindanao, lots of thunderstorms will be expected, especially tomorrow afternoon. And as we take a look at the latest highest heat index observations from Typhoon2000, from our different automated weather stations. And this is for today, Friday, April 5. The highest weather station is along Liboton, Naga City, with a high heat index of 42.9 around 10:55 a.m. this morning. And also followed by Mabolo. This is once the highest heat index yesterday, and it's now dropped down to second. This is 42.3. Still hot conditions. Okay. And also Kamuning, Calabanga, Camarines Sur, 42 degrees. While San Felipe, Concepcion, Pequeña, Grande, Bugtong, Legazpi City, and Cabinitan, Virac shows a heat index of below 42. So, but still hot. So avoid going out during lunchtime up to early afternoon, particularly the elderly. Okay, so avoid going out and drink lots of water to beat this high heat index. And if you take a look at the Pagasa latest heat index as of 5 p.m. this afternoon, April 5, the highest was recorded over the Gupan City, Pangasinan, with a high of 45 degrees. Okay. And for the forecast for tomorrow, April 6 until April 7, Saturday and Sunday, okay, here in Bicol region, we expect heat index to again reach a high of from 37 up to 42 degrees centigrade. So it's really a dangerous situation when it comes to those that have high blood pressure, heart problems. Okay, so please take all necessary precautions and avoid going outside. The risk of heat cramps, heat exhaustion, including heat stroke, is a possibility. Okay, so please take all necessary precautions. As for the wind forecast from the European model, today until Monday, it will be generally easterlies across the eastern sections of our country. Nothing much. And as for the rainfall forecast, tomorrow afternoon, Saturday, we expect a area of massive thunderstorms across southern and western Mindanao, while the rest will remain dry with some possibility of rain showers across eastern Visayas and eastern Bicol, including eastern sections of northern Quezon. By Sunday afternoon, the thunderstorms will be only affecting western Mindanao, and on Monday it's generally dry, but there are some possibility of rain showers across eastern Visayas and eastern Mindanao, and that's the latest from the European model. As for the rainfall accumulation forecast, for the next 3 days until Sunday, most of the rainfall are located along Bangsamoro, Soxagen, and western Mindanao or Zamboanga Peninsula. Through the weekend, the rest will remain dry with some possible rain showers across the eastern sections of northern Quezon, eastern Bicol region, and eastern Visayas. And before we leave you, here's the latest Windy.com wave forecast from the European model. So today, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, until Monday, we expect wave heights here of more than 1 meter up to 2 meters, and it's still suitable for fishing and sea travel. It's not a problem. And it will be much better here across the inland waters of the Philippine Islands. It will remain calm up to 1 meter in wave heights. Also here across the West Philippine Sea, including the Spratlys and the Calayan Island group. We expect calm to light waves here up to 1 meter. So it's not a problem. And that ends our update for this weekend. This is Mike Padua saying stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, drink lots of fluids to battle this high heat index. And we'll see you again next week for more updates on the weather. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.